Pockets, pockets, pockets. Fit for travel, weatherproof shell. Why I have the Everyday Sling. What's up guys, Eyes here for coznowEIZcan. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is where I share my thoughts, feedback on tech items or gadgets that I use or pique my interest. Yet again, another day with PeakDesign. Now this is the Everyday Sling bag, 10 liters. Now this bag costs roughly around $150 and it comes in charcoal, ash, and also the black color. Now I got this from our friends here in Singapore, Riceball Photography. I'll put the link on the description box below, but I'll definitely link the PeakDesign website and also the Amazon links where you can purchase it from. For its compact 16 by 9 by 5.5 inch measurement, it weighs around 1.5 pounds empty, and it has 9 pockets inside. So if you like organizing your gear and you like a very sleek, stylish bag, then PeakDesign has designed this with you in mind. Now the front of the bag houses a zipper protected pocket, expandable pocket at that, by just loosening up these two straps. Now inside this compartment, you will actually have 2 other pockets that you can fill in with some accessories or small accessories that you want readily available. Now the main compartment of the bag is zipper protected, and this is where most of your camera accessories and your camera itself will be housed. It has 2 Flexfold Dividers that you can rearrange to your heart's delight for maximum organization. The side wall of the main compartment houses another sleeve pocket that has a velcro cover or a velcro strap, and it can accommodate up to 11-inch tablets, or if you have a small laptop, then you can put it inside as well. As you can see, the top part that covers your compartment also has another zipper pocket. Now when you open it up, it gives you another compartment that houses 4 sleeve pockets. Now these pockets are stitched with black or red, which aids you visually in terms of organizing your either used cards or used batteries. Or in my scenario, I actually use them for additional compartments of small accessories for my camera. Now everyday includes traveling, and the back of this bag was provided with this strap that you can utilize as a briefcase carry, or you can slip it through your trolley handlebars for a more convenient way of moving around the airport or train station. Now the Everyday Sling bag is also fashioned with these straps on the side, and it's primarily designed for the capture attachment or the PeakDesign capture gear to be clipped on here, but you can also use it as a different purpose for clipping it to your bag or to your main luggage so that you can also carry it along with your gear. Given that the size of this is way smaller than the usual bags that my wife always carry, I have no doubt that this could fit under the seats of the airplane. PeakDesign publishes this as a weatherproof bag. Now, take note that weatherproof does not mean waterproof, alright? Now, living in a tropical country, we only have sun and we have the rain. So I decided why not simulate quite a harsh rain and see how it fares. So the outer part of this bag held up pretty well, and apart from the back strap and also the main strap that you need to air out because it became damp or will become damp, everything was easy to wipe dry. But the inner part did take in some water, and again, I just have to stress that this is not a waterproof bag but a weatherproof one. So I think a little bit of drizzle this bag can definitely handle, but if it's really pouring out there, nothing beats carrying an umbrella. So pockets, check. Fit for travel, check. Weather, still check. Because it's PeakDesign, we have to mention that it does come with the PeakDesign system in terms of adjusting your strap. Having this handlebar and just pulling it over and then clipping it back. It is worth mentioning that there is an attempt to do a security or a locking mechanism using the main compartment's zipper handle. You unbuckle it, strap it in the hole of the front zipper pocket, and then clasp it back. It will give some sort of assistance if there is someone out there who wants to take a peek at your design. So again guys, I am not being sponsored by PeakDesign. I'm just really captured by their system, their technology, and the quality of the gear that they have been releasing. So to me, investing on their items or on their gear is quite logical. So I've had this for almost a month now, and I must admit that it has replaced my daily bag. So it is indeed my everyday sling bag, as the name mentions. But even if I don't carry my camera, I can utilize it and fill it in with other items that I want to carry along. Well, that's it guys. Thanks again for taking time and watching this video. I wanted to share with you the PeakDesign Everyday Sling bag that I'm using right now. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them on the comment section below. The PeakDesign website and also the Facebook page of Riceball Photography here in Singapore will be on the show notes. So if you like this video, smash that like button and also consider subscribing along with the bell so that you get notified if I post something new. Alright guys, thanks again, and until next time, let's all remember, we're all here to learn. Peace.